In this video, I'm going to show you WordPress security tutorial, how to protect your website. So guys, before I begin, my goal is you to have an online income and eventually a full-time income and quit your job. And before I begin guys, if you check my YouTube channel, I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and I also help people create an online business. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So in my previous video, I had shown you how to create a WordPress website in 3 simple steps. So after that, now I'm going to show you how you could secure your website and how you could protect your website. All you have to do is click on plugins and add new and just type Wordpress. Okay, I would highly recommend downloading this. I have been using it from the past 5 years. Really good, and as you could see, more than 3 million installations. Click and install now, and you don't have to make anything complicated guys. Don't have to go on your WP config or go on your cache or go on your cPanel and try to make changes on the file permissions. Only install this plugin and it's well and really good. And in fact, let's say you get hacked or you think that something's wrong, I would always suggest install a premium theme where you pay the money and download. And even for the plugins, always keep your website up to date. Okay, so I have to put my email ID. Okay, so don't have to worry about anything. So just make sure that you buy a good theme. You don't download from the internet where you just download it, because when you download a free theme from the internet, they have some malware in it which will cause some issues. Same thing with the plugins. Always make sure that your website is up to date, even your hosting. Okay, so currently I use Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress, and they give you everything free: domain, free SSL, and in fact they also give you a security. So it's really easy and simple. Don't have to make it complicated. So now let's get back. It's Wordpress. Everything is set, but I'm just gonna go through it. And I would suggest, let's say, premium protection. If you feel that your website is hacked, and if your website is making money, okay, even $100 a month, if it's making money, then I would suggest go for a premium account. So it costs a lot. I'm just gonna not cost a lot, but let's say how much does it cost. So just $100, okay, for the whole year. So I would highly suggest go and buy it. Okay, so now this is the Wordpress. Enable auto update, yes, and then just click on firewall. Okay, got it. You don't have to do much, everything is done for you. If I click on scan, it will scan your website. So you could just scan your website right now. Start a new scan. So you could start scanning your website. If you want some additional features, you need to upgrade it, and then you would say audit my site security and clean my hacked site. If your website is hacked, you feel, then you need to clean, or don't do that. And login security. So let's say if you have some, so these would be the traffic which would be coming to your website. So you could check the IP address, the location, and everything. And if you feel that some IP is spamming your website, you could block it. If you go to login security, so you could add the security as well, but I wouldn't suggest to do it right now if your website is hacked. And that's it. These are all options. I don't think so I use any of these things, but you could download the report and everything. So once you install it, everything is set. All you have to do is scan your website, and that's it. So just click on scan. The reason I'm getting error, because I'm using a temporary domain. That's the reason. You can just click on start scan. It will scan your website, and if there are any issues, it will tell you, and then you need to just resolve it by just clicking on it, and that's it. But just make sure that you always buy a premium theme. You don't download it from the internet. Same thing with the plugins, and always keep everything up to date. And trust me, then your website would be secured. And also use the best web hosting. I would suggest Bluehost. I have some discount. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.